Hi, my name is Jennifer Ledwith, and I'm from ScholarReady. Let's talk about one of the most important aspects of planning for college, making a plan to stay in. College is not a measure of a person's intelligence. Keep living, and you will meet enough college graduates and wonder what university could have possibly granted them a degree. Often, college is about using your resources to hang in there long enough to graduate. At ScholarReady, we prepare students for the PSAT, SAT, and ACT. We also help students with math, reading, and writing skills. I'm Miss Jennifer, and I'm excited about ScholarReady's current students and alumni. Visit scholarready.com to learn more. One of the biggest threats to my students' success is that they cannot comprehend what they read. At ScholarReady, we model reading strategies for students, use reading strategies with students, and let the students independently employ the reading strategies. Would you like to see more of these tutorials? Text scholars in all caps to 22828 to get our newsletter full of tips for parents and students on the college bound journey. What's the point of a college education? Why is it so hard to get in? Why is it so hard to graduate? In January, discover the answers in Paul Tufts' book, The Years That Matter Most: How College Makes or Breaks Us. Students and parents will read and discuss the book, leading to lively discussions that help families to really consider the implications of an education. At the end of the class, parents and students will assemble a college admissions plan. Class meets 100% online on Tuesdays and Thursdays in January. Two books or two copies of this book are included in this course, one for a student and one for parents. Participants will learn reading strategies to help them to improve their reading comprehension. Did you know that there were Black millionaires before Oprah Winfrey was even thought of? Join us in February to read Black Fortunes and learn the story of the first six African Americans who escaped slavery and became millionaires. Class meets Mondays and Wednesdays in February. The class is limited to the first 8 students who sign up, and the class will meet on Skype. At ScholarReady, we seek to teach the student and not just the material. In addition to learning about the tribes of African Americans, students will learn reading strategies to comprehend social science, a type of passage that appears on the PSAT, SAT, and ACT. Students will also write an historical profile. In March, join ScholarReady to better understand how to read a science passage. During Mondays and Wednesdays in March, students will read about science in the pages of the New York Times. Students will also conduct their own experiments and write about the scientific process. Class is limited to the first 8 students who sign up and will meet 100% on Skype. They're also going to do a fun little experiment. In January's class, parents and students will read and discuss the book. For the first part of the class, I will teach students reading strategies and vocabulary. Then, toward the end of the evening, the parents and students will discuss the book, The Years That Matter Most. Why family literacy? According to the Handbook of Family Literacy, children who see their parents reading and writing do better at school reading than children who do not see their parents engage in these activities. Why this topic? Again, according to the Handbook of Family Literacy, program content relevant to a participant's life is critical to recruitment and retention. Education is probably one of the top 5 concerns of your household. Join this class to help improve your children's reading skills and to prepare for college. Let's talk about literacy with our high school students in the state of Texas. According to the College Board, and the College Board is the organization that administers the PSAT, the SAT, and the TSI. When a student scores higher than a 480 on the reading and writing section of the SAT, that student has a 75% chance of earning at least a C in first semester history, literature, social science, and writing classes. Where are we in Texas? In 2019, nearly half of graduating Texans scored a 490 or below on the reading and writing section of the SAT. Let's talk about math. According to the College Board, when a student scores a 530 or better on the math section of the SAT, that student has a 75% chance of earning at least a C in first semester algebra, statistics, pre-calculus, and calculus. In 2019, about 4 out of 5 graduating Texans scored 590 or below on the math section of the SAT. This should tell you that you need a plan for staying in college. In the years that matter most, we meet students who excel while they are in high school. They're winning all of the top accolades for academics, especially in math and science. They've been the top students throughout their entire high school careers. Now they're at a university and their grades are telling them otherwise. What do these students do? Well, we see where one struggled and dropped out. And let's see and then we have another one who struggled and stayed in. Well, she had a number of plans. That's how she was able to do it. Plan A. She relied on what she believed was a strong math and science foundation to do well in calculus. And she was still confused, so she went to Plan B. She studied with calculus classmates and she made sure that she was not the smartest one in the group. Well, so here she is. She's putting Plan A and Plan B into motion. And when she took her first calculus exam, she performed very poorly. So now she went to Plan C. She had to pivot and she took advantage of the resources at her university. She attended multiple study sessions with her calculus professor and his teaching assistants. And what was her outcome? She did really well in the class and she stayed in and she continued on her STEM track throughout college. Join us in January to learn more about the students who were able to stay in and learn more about planning for college in the January class. To register, call 713-553-6557 or email jdlegwith@scholarready.com.